to LHD Tech. Precision begins with expert material management. Our high-speed SMT lines deliver absolute accuracy. We handle complex designs with ease. Every component is placed with meticulous detail. Using the latest technology, we ensure consistent quality at scale. Laser marking for full product traceability. Our skilled assembly teams bring it all together. We blend manual expertise with streamlined workflows. Every step is managed for total consistency. From housing to hardware, we focus on a seamless building. We don't just build, we verify. LHD Tech, your trusted partner in electronics manufacturing.